Welcome once again in this video. Today we are going to start division with large numbers. Generally, large numbers are divided in a similar way as done small numbers, right? So let's start with some basic rules. Large numbers, we must have to know some basic rules of division. Let's see. First rule: when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. See what I mean? अगर आप किसी नंबर को डिवाइडिंग आप 1 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो वही आपका जो क्वोशंट आएगा वही नंबर आएगा जिसको आपने डिवाइड किया, यानी कि डिविडेंड विल बी क्वोशंट, राइट? एंड द सेकंड रूल, व्हेन 0 इज डिवाइडेड बाय एनी नंबर द क्वोशंट इज 0. फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स सी हियर, इफ यू आर, अगर आप किसी नंबर से 0 को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो आपका आंसर 0 ही आएगा, क्वोशंट 0 ही आएगा, राइट? ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रूल है. नाउ थर्ड रूल, डिवीजन बाय 0 इज नॉट पॉसिबल. इट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग रूल. आपको ध्यान देना चाहिए इस रूल पर कि अगर किसी भी नंबर को आप 0 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं तो वो डिवीजन पॉसिबल ही नहीं होगा. लेट्स सी हियर, 0 zeros are 0. Once again you have 500. Now 0 zeros are 0. Once again you have 500. There is no meaning of double zero like this, right? तो ये इस तरह से आता रहेगा. तो this division is not possible if you are dividing any number by 0. We can use this kind of symbol for this, undefined or infinite. This symbol or not possible. Undefined मतलब इसको हम शो नहीं कर सकते, दिखा नहीं सकते कि डिवीजन का आंसर क्या होगा, राइट? नाउ हियर नेक्स्ट रूल इज, व्हेन अ नंबर इज डिवाइड बाय इटसेल्फ द क्वोशंट इज 1. इन केस इफ यू आर डिवाइडिंग एनी नंबर बाय इटसेल्फ द क्वोशंट विल बी 1, लाइक दिस, राइट? Next and last rule, in division the order of numbers cannot be changed. यानी कि you can't change order in place of, ये आपका एक ऑर्डर है और एक ऑर्डर आपने चेंज कर दिया like this. The both answer are both are not same, like, right? You can see the both answer are not same, so you can't चेंज द ऑर्डर. ऑर्डर मतलब आपने इनका ऑर्डर चेंज कर दिया, पहले इसको लिखा फिर इसको, ये डिविडेंट ये डिवाइजर, फिर यहाँ आपने चेंज कर दिया, इसको आपने क्या बना दिया डिविडेंट और इसको सॉरी डिवाइजर, इसको डिविडेंट. तो इस कंडीशन में क्या होगा, आंसर सेम नहीं आएगा. बट इन केस ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन यू कैन सी इफ यू आर चेंजिंग ऑर्डर you will get same answer, 4 to the 8. And if you are writing like this, you are changing order, you will get same answer. मल्टीप्लिकेशन के केस में ऑर्डर चेंज करने में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, बट इन केस ऑफ डिवीजन आंसर डिफर्स. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म डिवीजन ऑफ लार्ज नंबर्स. इट इज अवर प्रॉब्लम, राइट? लुक एट फर्स्ट, हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स हैव इन डिवाइजर? These are 3 in count, right? 1, 2, 3. So at first we will take only 3 digits from dividend. 1, 2, 3 up to here, right? It is our first step to perform this division. In the case if this number is greater than this divisor, division can possible, right? Well, now we have to estimate the digit of quotient. Do you know the table of 168? Perhaps not. So how could we know what is the quotient? Here we use estimate method. To see what I mean, आपको अनुमान लगाना है कि 168 का जो डिवीजन है 679 में, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स 168 would fit in the 679, right? For this step, just forget this remaining part, right? You don't know the table of 168, but you know the table of 16, right? We will leave this 8 for a moment. We'll leave this 9 as well, right? Now it's pretty easy to understand. Now what would be the quotient over here? 16 4s are 64 and 3 is remainder. Then our estimation is 4 as quotient. Now we will check this for 168 like this. 4 jar. This is less than 679. So our estimation is correct. We place 4 here. 168 4s are 672. Now subtract 9 minus 2 7 and 7 minus 7 0 6 minus 6 0. We will not write this 0, these 0. Now bring down this 4. It becomes 74. You can see 74 is less than 168. So division is not possible. So if division is not possible, then you can divide like this. 168 0 are 0. Now once again you can subtract 4 7. Now bring down this 2 over here. This is 742. Now we can divide. Now division is possible because this is greater than this. ये बड़ा है इससे तो आप डिवीजन कर. In case whenever it is less than divisor, division is not possible. In this case, you place 0 over here. Now just estimate with 16 and 74. 16, you will leave this 8, you will leave this 2, and 16 and 74. You just estimate on these. Again, it is 16 4s are 64 because you know 16 5s are 80. 80 is larger than 74. So your estimation is 4 for this 168. Now you can multiply once again with 4. This is 672. Now you will write 4 as quotient. 168 4s are 672. Like this. Now subtract 2 minus 2 0. 14 minus 7, this is 7. And bring down this 3 over here. It becomes 703. Now you can use this estimation method once again. You can write, you can estimate like this. Once again it is 4 jar. Because 5 is 80, it is larger than 70. Your estimation is 4. So you can write, even multiply 168 by 4. You will get once again 672. Just place this 4 over here. 168 4s are 672. Subtract 1, 3, drag this 5. It becomes 315. Now just estimate with 16 and 31. You will leave this one digit. 16 divided by 31. 16 1s are 61. 16 2s are 32. 32 is larger than 31. So you will take this 1, 16. Now place 1 in quotient's place. 168 1s are 168. Again subtract. Now you have a remainder of 147. You can finish your division over here. Why? आप इसको यहाँ पर फिनिश क्यों कर देंगे? Because 147 remainder is less than this divisor. You can't take this division further, right? तो इससे आगे आप इस division को नहीं कर सकते हैं. और you don't have any number over here also. You can't bring down any number here. So your division is finished now. It is quotient. Sorry, it is divisor. It is your quotient, and it is your remainder. Right? And now you can verify this very easily. Earlier I told you a relation dividend is equals to, or you can say divisor into quotient. Same thing as this. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. जब आप इसको multiply करेंगे, you will get this number, and you will add this 147, and finally you will get the same number, which was our dividend. That means you can say your division is correct, right?